Hi guys, so this video will show you how to download and install OpenMRS on your standalone machine. First, download Java SE from the Oracle's website, accept the license agreement, find the macOS version, and download the .damage file. It's important to download Java 1.7 and not 1.8 because it causes compilation errors. Next, download Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, the macOS version. Click download. Great. I'm going to use a package manager called Homebrew. You, however, may use whatever method you want to install the rest. It has a fairly easy installation process, so I would recommend it. I will install MySQL, Community Server 5.6, Git, and Maven. So let's go to our terminal, and I have already installed Brew. So now Brew install Maven, Brew install Git, and Brew install MySQL. We're going to need to set a password for the MySQL database. So start it, mysql.server start, and MySQL, user root, use MySQL, update user, set password equal to password in big letters, brackets. You can set it to whatever password you want. I will use OpenMRS, close brackets, where user is equal to root, semicolon. Flush privileges, semicolon, and quit. So now you have a set password for the MySQL database. I have a set password for OpenMRS. So now let's install the Java JDK. Go to your .damage file, open it, click on the package, continue, install. Allow, and success. Great. Okay. Now you want to CD into a folder where you want to have all of the code base. I have a folder called OpenMRS. And now go to GitHub, find the OpenMRS-core repository, fork it, so you have your own version. Of course, you have to log in first. Copy the clone URL from their website and type git clone and paste the URL. I'll skip the downloading part because it does take quite a while. Okay, now that you have cloned the repository, you can see it by typing ls. We have a folder called OpenMRS-core, and you want to cd into it, cd OpenMRS-core, and now run mvn clean install. And this is where you would have problems if you had Java 1.8 as of making of this video. And it will take about 3 to 4 minutes. It has finished building, and you should see a success on all of the builds. Now we have a folder called web app that you can see by typing ls, and we'll change our directory to that web app, and now run mvn jetty run. So it has set up the Jetty server on localhost port 8080. Let's go to that port. We have nothing, but we do have a link, so let's click on that link. And we can see that it's installed on OpenMRS index.htm. The predefined username is admin, all small letters, and the password is test as well, small letters. Now, and that's it. You have properly built and run OpenMRS-core on your local machine. So now that you have it's working properly, we can set it up in Eclipse. So go back to your terminal and press Ctrl-C. This will shut down the Jetty server and also close our OpenMRS. Good. Okay, so go to your OpenMRS folder, click on Eclipse, and this will unzip it and open Eclipse. Open workspace. Okay. And close it. Let's go to File, Import, Maven, existing Maven project. Next. Root directory, browse, OpenMRS-core, open, yes, and finish. So it's gonna import the Maven project. Let's wait a bit. Now that we have validated everything, right-click on OpenMRS, run as, Maven build, and goals is clean install. It's the same arguments we wrote in the terminal, and run. And this will also take 3 to 5 minutes because it's practically the same thing. The only difference between what we did in terminal and now is that we have it in a IDE, which is easier to code in. Go to OpenMRS web app and debug as Maven build. And the goals is Jetty, run, and click debug or enter. And as in the terminal, this will open up the localhost. Again, let's go to port 8080 on localhost. Done. Again, small caps admin and small caps test. Login, not now. Done.